Good morning, everyone. I slept so well. Good morning, Nora.
It is a beautiful day.
Breakfast is almost ready for the family. I am very hungry today. It smells great. Dad, you always wake up so early. I am very hungry today. It smells great. Dad, you always wake up so early.
Yes, I really like my morning coffee.
And you read the newspaper every single morning.
It helps me start my busy day.
Mom cooks the best meals for us. I made rice, fresh vegetables, and warm soup. You always have so much energy, Mom. I just love taking care of our family.
Your garden looks very beautiful today, Misa.
Thank you. There are many flowers outside now.
I want to play football with my friends. Lukas, you look very tired this morning. I am totally fine, Mom. Do not worry. You feel a little under the weather today.
No, I have big plans at the park.
You should stay home and rest today. My friends are waiting for me right now.
Listen to your sister, Lukas. She is right.
I study computers all week at my desk. I really need to run and play outside. But you clearly need to rest more today.
I will be completely fine at the park.
You played video games very late last night.
I am smart and funny. I can play.
I must give you some important advice now. You are clearly not feeling well today, son.
I can still play a great football game. Please take a warm drink before you leave. I do not have any time, Mom. This is a very bad idea, Lukas. I am going out the door right now.
Lukas, please listen to us for a minute.
The park is not very far away.
You will feel very tired if you go. I am strong like Dad. I am leaving. You are making a mistake by going out. Wait, my legs feel very heavy right now. Are you feeling okay, Lukas? Tell me.
I feel very tired suddenly. You were right. You need to sit down on the chair.
I feel very tired suddenly.
You were right. You need to sit down on the chair.
I cannot go to the park to play.
You made a wrong choice this morning.
Yes, I made a wrong choice. I agree.
Come sit at the table with us again.
I really want to feel better very soon.
We will help you, son. Do not worry.
Here is a warm drink to help you. Thank you, Mom. I am sorry I ignored you. That sounds really nice, Nora. I like books.
Family is always very important to all of us.
We always share our true feelings in this house.
Yes, we will go by car in the morning.
Grandma will cook some delicious food for us.
Grandpa will tell us old stories all afternoon.
But you can only go if you rest today.
When you don't feel well, rest is the best.
We always give each other love and support here.
We are a very happy and simple family.
I am thankful for my family every single day. I am thankful for my family every single day.
We love you very much, Lucas. Always remember that.